Adding captions to your videos in CapCut just became a whole lot easier. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add captions to your video. In the newest version, you'll see these shortcuts up at the top of the screen. These buttons allow you to quickly open a new project to complete a specific task. Let's add some captions to a random video clip. Tap the shortcut that says Captions. You'll be prompted to add a video clip. A new project will be opened, and you'll be taken directly into the Captions interface. To quickly add your captions, first make sure that the video clip you're using contains spoken audio. Music does not work, even if you can hear it. The default language is English. Select the source. If you don't have a pro subscription to CapCut, select one of the other free templates. Once you tap on Start, the captions will be auto-generated and appear as text underneath your main video. When you see this message, the process has been finished. Play the video and take a look at your captions.
Hi there. Did you know you can actually place a colored border around your picture-in-picture videos inside CapCut without using third-party apps? Behind me, you'll notice a funny video clip that I took while attending a play for my girlfriend's birthday. Here she is, up on stage, with the rest of the people from the audience, invited up because it was their birthday on the day that we went. Let's get into the effect.
To edit your captions, or to make sure that they're accurate, just select one of your captions and tap on Batch Edit. These captions are very accurate, but if you needed to change a caption, tap on it to select it. The keyboard will pop up, and you can make your edits. When you're done, tap on the check mark. If you don't select a template when you generate your captions, this is what the text will look like. You can tap where it says Edit. Here you can change the color by just tapping the color. You can change the size of the captions. Just use the slider labeled size. You can change the opacity by adjusting that slider. You can add animations to your caption. You can change the font. You can adjust the stroke, the glow. You can set a background. Of course, you can change the color of the background. Make sure that this option, Apply to all captions, is selected because this will apply your style settings to all of the captions. And then tap the check mark. Tap Done. Perform other editing tasks within this project before you export. I'm going to trim the clip.
Hi there. Did you know you can actually place a colored border around your picture-in-picture videos inside CapCut without using third-party apps? Behind me, you'll notice a funny video clip that I took while attending a play for my girlfriend's birthday. Here she is, up on stage, with the rest of the people from the audience invited up because it was their birthday on the day that we went. Let's get into the effect.
To change the template without regenerating your captions, tap on one of your captions, tap on Style, and choose one of the templates from the selection.
Hi there. Did you know you can actually place a colored border around your picture-in-picture videos inside CapCut without using third-party apps?
I think the other template's better. Just tap on the undo button once. There you can see my original captions. Tap the export icon to export your video. Find your completed video in your camera roll, or if you're creating a clip for TikTok, you can share the clip directly to your TikTok account. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.